Hello friends, now we see the problem 3 which contains 3 sub-questions which is based on shift of origin of chapter Locus. The problem 3 is find the coordinates of the point where the origin is shifted, comma, axis remaining parallel, comma, if the old and new coordinates of the points are given in each of the following. So question 1 is old coordinates given as a 2, 3 and new coordinates is given as a 5, -3. Now let's see the solution. So in this question we have given old coordinates, that is small xy equivalent to 2, 3. Therefore we have x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So in this way we get the value of small x and small y. Now new coordinates is given as 5, -3. Therefore capital X is equal to 5 and capital Y is equal to -3. So in this way we get the value of capital X and capital Y. Now we have to find the shift of origin, that is H and K equivalent to question mark. So by using transformation equation we have small x is equal to capital X plus H and small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Therefore, for small x we substitute 2 and for capital X we substitute 5 plus H we write as it is, and from that we get H is equal to 2 minus 5 and finally H is equal to -3. Similarly, small y is equal to capital Y plus K. For small y we substitute 3 and for capital Y we write -3 plus K we write as it is. On further simplifying we get 3 plus 3 equal to K, and therefore K is equal to 6. Hence the shift of origin HK equivalent to -3, 6. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.